I could use a dream or a genie or a wish to go back to a place much simpler than this. Cause after all the morning and it's smashing and crashing, and all the glitz and the glam and the passion, and all the pandemonium and all the madness, there comes a time when you fade to the blackness, and when you staring at that phone in your lap, and you hoping but the people never call you back. But that's just how the story unfolds. You get another hand soon after you fall, and when your plans unravel in the sand, what would you wish for if you had one chance? So airplane, sorry I'm late. I'm on my way, so don't close that gate. If I don't make that, then I switch my flight, and I'll be right back at it by the end of the night. Right now, right now, right now. That airplane to the night sky, like shooting stars. I can really use a wish right now, right now, right now. Somebody take me back to the days before this was a job, before I got paid, before whatever mattered what I had in my bank. Yeah, back when I was trying to get it to this subway, and back when I was rapping for the elephant. But nowadays we rapping the state president. I'm guessing that if you can make some wishes out of airplanes, then maybe maybe I go back to the days before the politics that we call a rap game. And I don't think nobody listen to my mixtape. And people know I try to cover all kind of slang. But this is only made up one solid right. So can I get a wish to stay in the politics and get back to the music that started this shit? So here I play it and then again I play. Okay, but we can make some wishes out of airplane. What's in that airplane? Guys, like shooting stars. So I can really use a wish right now. Wish right now. Wish right now. That airplane to the night sky, like shooting stars. I can really use a wish right now. Wish right now. Wish right now.